Alright, so last time I worked through the Swiftress tutorial. I don't know if it was Sprite Kit or just actually trying to code a game or the way that the tutorial was written, but I didn't feel like I was actually learning anything. I was just, they would just put up some code, they wouldn't really have much explanation, then they'd link to the official Apple documentation. That's not a good way for me to learn. So I'm actually going like a month back and spend maybe like 2 hours or so, and I'm going to go through. So that Jameson Quave, which I really did start about a month ago, he's got 7 parts of this tutorial. I think I only made it through the first 2, but they were good. And also I like that this has been updated for beta 5. And if these are good, then I'll probably buy his book whenever when it comes out, when I imagine iOS 8 and Xcode 6 officially comes out. So that's the plan for today. So let's go. So I wasn't working at it the whole time since it's been almost 12 hours, but made it through part 4 of the Jameson Quave tutorials, and a lot of it was just file setup and code cleanup. So can't say it was as good as the first couple parts, but this is just the kind of the demo app, which is pulling from the iTunes API. So it is good to, again, to bring in real world data, but yeah, I can't say that parts 3 and 4 were all that useful or exciting or whatever for me. So I think next time what I'll do is maybe work through 5, 6, and 7 of these tutorials just to wrap them up. And then some other potential things are want to go back to the iBeacon app that I worked on maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago, see if it makes a little bit more sense now. And then also, since I think that the Brian Advent tutorials, I guess Brian Advent or the Ray Wenderlich tutorials are my favorite. Might go back to some of Brian Advent's earlier videos, but yeah, I can't say too much progress yesterday, but keep going.